When you spend this much money on a camera, you expect perfection. You expect incredible image quality, professional video features, fast autofocus, and a user experience that makes every project enjoyable. Leica has always promised something different from every other camera brand. Instead of competing on endless specifications, the company focuses on craftsmanship, premium materials, and a shooting experience that feels truly special. The Leica SL3P follows exactly that philosophy. It looks stunning. It feels luxurious. The colors coming out of this camera are simply gorgeous. But after spending time with it, one important question remains. Is this really the ultimate hybrid camera for professionals, or does its confusing software and premium price hold it back? Stay with me, because the answer isn't as simple as you might think. The first thing that stands out is the design. Leica has removed its famous red logo from the front of the camera. At first, this might seem like a small change, but it completely transforms the camera's personality. Without the bright red badge, the SL3P becomes incredibly discreet. It doesn't immediately attract attention, which makes it perfect for documentary photographers, street photographers, journalists, and filmmakers who want to blend into their surroundings instead of announcing that they're carrying an expensive camera. The body itself is beautifully engineered. It's made almost entirely from metal, and every button, dial, and surface feels solid. There are no loose parts or cheap plastics anywhere. Everything about the camera screams premium quality. Leica also includes IP54 weather sealing, giving photographers confidence when working in rain, dust, or difficult outdoor conditions. It feels like a camera designed to survive years of professional use rather than just a few seasons. Of course, premium construction comes with one obvious downside. This camera is heavy. Once you attach one of Leica's L-mount lenses, the complete setup becomes significantly heavier than many competing mirrorless cameras. For short sessions, the deep grip keeps the camera comfortable. But during long weddings, travel projects, or documentary work, you'll definitely notice the extra weight. Some photographers won't mind because the build quality is so impressive, while others may prefer something lighter. The electronic viewfinder is another highlight. It is bright, detailed, and incredibly sharp. Looking through it feels natural, almost like looking through an optical viewfinder. The rear touchscreen is equally impressive. It is responsive, colorful, and bright enough for outdoor use. However, Leica made one decision that many video creators may find disappointing. The screen only tilts. It doesn't fully rotate to face forward. For vloggers, solo filmmakers, and content creators who often record themselves, this is a noticeable limitation. Now let's talk about what really makes this camera special: image quality. Inside the Leica SL3P is a 44.7 megapixel full-frame backside illuminated sensor. On paper, that specification doesn't immediately sound revolutionary. Plenty of cameras offer similar resolutions today. But specifications only tell part of the story. What truly separates Leica from many competitors is its image processing and color science. The first photos you capture immediately reveal what Leica is known for. Colors look rich without appearing oversaturated. Skin tones are natural. Greens don't look artificial. Blues remain realistic. Highlights transition smoothly, and shadows contain excellent detail. Images have a unique character that's difficult to describe until you actually see them. Even JPEG files coming directly out of the camera require very little editing because they already look polished. This color science has become one of Leica's greatest strengths. Even though the SL3P shares similarities with cameras from Panasonic, many photographers still prefer Leica's color rendering. Portraits look warm and lifelike. Landscapes appear vibrant without becoming unrealistic. Documentary photography benefits from natural colors that preserve the atmosphere of every scene. Dynamic range is equally impressive. Bright skies maintain detail while dark shadows remain recoverable during editing. If you're someone who edits raw files extensively, you'll appreciate how much flexibility this sensor provides. Even when pushing exposure during post-production, image quality remains remarkably clean. Low-light performance is another area where the camera performs extremely well. Noise remains well controlled at higher ISO settings, allowing photographers to continue working in dim environments without worrying too much about image quality. Whether you're photographing indoor events, nighttime streets, or evening landscapes, the sensor delivers reliable performance. Photography isn't the only strength here. Leica clearly designed the SL3P as a serious hybrid camera. For video creators, the specifications are impressive. The camera records an 8K open gate, giving filmmakers the flexibility to crop for different aspect ratios without sacrificing resolution. It also supports 4K recording at high frame rates, allowing smooth slow-motion footage while maintaining excellent detail. Professional features like 10-bit recording, L-log, waveform monitoring, and false color tools are included, making this camera suitable for commercial video production. One of the biggest advantages for filmmakers is once again the color science. Straight out of the camera, footage already looks cinematic. Skin tones appear pleasing, highlights roll off naturally, and overall color grading becomes much easier. Leica has also introduced new LUTs that help creators achieve attractive cinematic looks with minimal effort. For many professionals, this means spending less time correcting colors and more time focusing on storytelling. However, video performance isn't perfect. Although the camera supports impressive recording formats, some important limitations still exist. Internal RAW recording isn't available, meaning filmmakers who require RAW workflows will need external recording solutions. Rolling shutter performance in the highest quality modes is also noticeable. Fast camera movements can produce visible distortion, especially during 8K recording. Extended recording sessions introduce another concern. Recording in the highest resolutions for long periods can generate significant heat, particularly in warm environments. While most everyday users may never experience this limitation, professionals recording long interviews, documentaries, or commercial productions should keep it in mind. Autofocus has also received a significant upgrade compared to older Leica cameras. For years, autofocus was one of Leica's weakest areas. The SL3P changes that with a hybrid autofocus system that combines phase detection and contrast detection. Subject detection works well for people and animals, and eye detection performs reliably during portrait photography. For everyday photography, autofocus is accurate and dependable. It locks onto subjects quickly enough for weddings, portraits, travel photography, and documentary work. Most photographers will be perfectly satisfied. But when you compare it directly against the latest Sony, Canon, or Nikon flagship cameras, Leica still falls slightly behind. Fast sports, wildlife, and rapidly moving subjects remain easier to capture with competitors that have more advanced tracking systems. This doesn't make the SL3P bad. It simply means autofocus isn't its strongest selling point. Surprisingly, the biggest criticism of this camera has nothing to do with hardware. It's the menu system. Leica completely redesigned its interface to make it simpler. Ironically, many users have found it more confusing instead. Important settings are often hidden behind multiple layers of menus. Some options require long button presses that aren't immediately obvious. Features that professionals frequently use can sometimes take longer to locate than expected. If you're switching from Sony, Canon, Panasonic, or Nikon, there will definitely be a learning curve. Eventually, most users adapt to Leica's logic. But during those first few weeks, the menu system can become frustrating, especially when you're trying to change settings quickly during an important project. Even battery charging feels a little unusual. Instead of providing the familiar charging indicators found on many competing cameras, Leica's implementation isn't always as informative, leaving users wondering exactly how much charging remains. Then there's the price. There's simply no way around it. The Leica SL3P is one of the most expensive hybrid mirrorless cameras on the market. At this price point, buyers naturally begin comparing it with cameras like the Panasonic Lumix S1 or 2, Sony A1 II, Canon EOS R5 Mark II, and Nikon Z8. Many of those cameras offer faster autofocus, more advanced video features, and comparable image quality for significantly less money. So why would anyone still choose the Leica? Because Leica isn't just selling specifications. It's selling an experience. Every time you pick up the SL3P, you immediately notice the difference. The machining, the controls, the shutter sound, the color rendering, and the overall feeling of using the camera creates something that's difficult to measure with specification sheets. It's a camera designed to inspire creativity rather than simply achieve benchmark scores. For photographers who appreciate craftsmanship, beautiful industrial design, and Leica's legendary color science, those qualities may easily justify the premium price. But if your primary goal is maximizing value, achieving the fastest autofocus, or getting the most video features per dollar, several competitors deliver better overall performance for substantially less money. So, who is the Leica SL3P really for? If you're a portrait photographer, wedding photographer, documentary storyteller, travel photographer, commercial creator, or someone who genuinely values premium craftsmanship and exceptional image quality, this camera offers an experience few others can match. However, if you're a sports photographer, wildlife specialist, dedicated filmmaker needing internal RAW recording, or simply someone looking for the best performance-to-price ratio, there are stronger alternatives available. At the end of the day, the Leica SL3P isn't trying to be the most powerful camera in the world. It's trying to be the most enjoyable one. And in many ways, it succeeds brilliantly. It delivers outstanding image quality, breathtaking color science, premium build quality, reliable hybrid performance, and one of the finest shooting experiences available today. Yet it also asks buyers to accept a confusing menu system, a very high price, a heavier body, and a few compromises in autofocus and professional video features. If those compromises don't bother you, the Leica SL3P could easily become one of the most satisfying cameras you'll ever own. It's not built to win the specification race. It's built to make every photo and every video feel a little more special, and for many Leica fans, that's worth every penny.